Here, we see a chaotic matrix of complex code dissolving into a clean, organized blueprint. Building a website used to require weeks of planning, manual coding, and waiting for design revisions. Now, ClickSites uses AI to bypass that entire process. By the end of this video, you will have a fully functional, completely custom HTML website, complete with a free SSL certificate, live on the internet. To follow along, you only need two things: your ClickSites login and a standard text generation API key from a provider like OpenAI or Gemini. By bringing your own API key for the text, you control your exact usage. ClickSites handles the heavy lifting of secure hosting, image generation, and design logic, allowing you to bypass the expensive monthly subscriptions traditional site builders charge. Step 1 is getting oriented. When you log into the ClickSites dashboard, you are presented with a complete view of your active workspaces and tools. Before we generate our first site, let's connect that API key. Navigate to the left-hand menu, click on Settings, and open the Integrations tab. Paste your key into the designated text field and click Save. Look for the green Success banner at the top of the screen to confirm your connection is active. Completing this step activates the AI content robot. Now, when we ask ClickSites to build a page, it will automatically write unique headlines and body copy tailored directly to your topic. Be careful not to skip this setup. Without an active API key, the builder will still work, but your layout will be populated entirely with generic, repetitive placeholder text that you will have to rewrite manually later. Establishing this API connection transforms the underlying code into an active listener, ready to fill your layout with content matching your specific business niche. Let's build the site. Go back to the dashboard, click Create New Site, and select the Prompt Creation mode. Here, you simply describe what you want. We will type a modern landing page for a freelance graphic designer, including a portfolio section and a contact form. As you click Generate, the AI analyzes your prompt and slots the layout together into a responsive grid. Then, it maps your instructions directly into those spaces, pulling in relevant text and custom imagery for the freelance designer theme. In 60 seconds, the loading screen clears and you transition directly into the design studio. Your fully populated draft website is now ready to review. That single prompt handled the initial layout, copywriting, and visual mapping all at once. You have effectively bypassed weeks of manual wireframing and coding, drastically accelerating your time to market. To make adjustments, you don't need to touch any code. The Design Studio provides a straightforward drag-and-drop interface for all your visual tweaks. To rewrite a headline, just click on the text. This opens the AI assistant. Type a command like, "Make this sound more exciting." Hit Enter, and the copy updates instantly. If you want a different background, open the AI Image Generator tool. Type in a specific prompt like "sleek modern office desk," and the system will create and insert a brand new copyright-free image right into your layout. To expand your page, open the Ready-to-Use Design Blocks menu on the left. Find a pricing table, drag it directly onto your layout, and drop it exactly where you want it. It's easy to spend hours manually tweaking pixels, but remember to let the software do the heavy lifting. If you need to change the global colors or update the fonts, just ask the AI assistant to execute those changes for you. Treating the AI as an active design partner naturally maintains a cohesive, balanced look across the entire page. You get a professional result without needing any formal graphic design skills. Once you are happy with the layout, look to the top right corner of the editor and click the Publish button. You have several choices for deployment. The simplest option is utilizing ClickSites' instantly available secure hosting on a free subdomain. Type a custom identifier into the box like My Portfolio and click Launch. As this diagram outlines, you aren't locked into that subdomain. Branching out to 3 options, you can choose the cloud subdomain, download the raw HTML files to your server stack, or point the site to your custom web address. After making your selection, a final pop-up will appear on your screen containing your newly generated live URL. Offering these distinct export methods prevents platform lock-in. It guarantees that you retain total ownership of your files and complete flexibility over where your digital presence lives. Go ahead and click that new URL. You will transition out of the editor and your site will load smoothly in a fresh browser tab. While we demonstrated a designer portfolio, the AI engine scales this logic across any business category. This fully rendered storefront shows how the same prompt system handles high-end retail layouts, delivering a secure, responsive site with zero manual code. Now that it's live, you can take immediate next steps to maximize its value. Head into the settings to attach your custom domain, or review the built-in analytics dashboard to track your visitors. For your next project, you can explore advanced tools like the Create from URL feature, which lets you instantly generate a completely redesigned version of an external page just by pasting a link. By permanently removing the technical hurdles and high monthly costs of traditional web design, you can build properties as fast as you can think of them, unlocking new digital possibilities and revenue streams for your business.